Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing the topics from the GK and the page wise. So today we are going to start with one more new topic from our GK book, that is World of Comics, given at page number 10. Okay, so all of you kindly open your books at page number 10, that is World of Comics. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic on the board, and by that time you just open your books. The topic is, the topic is World of Comics. This is the topic, that is World of Comics, and this is given at page number 10. Okay, World of Comics. So that means in this topic we are going to discuss about the various comics that you must have read. ओके, और बहुत सारे ऐसे कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स हैं जिनके बारे में आप पढ़ चुके हो. सो मोस्ट ओके, देखिए व्हेन आई वाज अ किड आई लव टू रीड द कॉमिक्स बुक्स, एंड दो यू आर आल्सो किड्स नाउ. ओके, अभी आप भी छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं तो आपको भी कॉमिक्स पढ़ने में बहुत मज़ा आता होगा, स्पेशली ऑफ योर फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर. Okay, so do tell me during online class which is your favorite cartoon character. Okay, but in this session we will talk about the various comic book characters, superheroes character. Okay, देखिए कुछ comic book characters हैं, उनके ऊपर movies, dramas बन चुके हैं. ओके, सो आपने जो कार्टून चैनल्स हैं उस पर भी आपने देखा होगा. सो देयर आर न्यूमरस नंबर ऑफ कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स दैट आर बीइंग पॉपुलर all around the world. Okay, and in this in this session we are going to discuss about some of them. Okay, so here are the some clues about those popular comic characters are given. Okay, and by reading those clues and while taking the help from the help box that is given below in your book, we are going to answer the name of these blanks. Okay, in which we have to written the name of the cartoon characters. Okay, so here the heading is given, identify these comic book characters from their dialogues given below, find their names from the help box and write them in the given space. Okay, so here some of the famous dialogues of some famous cartoon characters are given, and you have to identify the डायलॉग्स. ओके, आपको उस डायलॉग को आइडेंटिफाई करते हुए बताना है कि ये किस फेमस कार्टून कैरेक्टर का जो है डायलॉग है. क्लियर? सो द फर्स्ट इज, द एंग्रियर आई एम द माइटर आई बिकम एंड देन आई कैन स्मैश एनीथिंग इनटू पीसेस. हु एम आई? ओके, सो दैट इज हल्क. ओके, सो हल्क इज अ ह्यूज, वेरी बिग, ह्यूज ग्रीन कलर का एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर है. ओके, and you must have seen the movie Hulk as well. तो उसके ऊपर मूवी बनी है द हल्क. ओके, सो इट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज कैरेक्टर, कॉमिक बुक कैरेक्टर. ओके, एंड व्हेन द हल्क, जब इस हल्क को गुस्सा आता है तो ये बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है, और जैसे ही जिसके सामने कुछ भी आता है. ओके, सो व्हेन, देखिए जो हल्क है उसको गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है, एंड व्हेन ही बिकम एंग्री सो ही कैन स्मैश एनीथिंग इनटू पीसेस. और जब उसको गुस्सा आता है वो किसी भी चीज़ को टुकड़े टुकड़े कर सकता है. Okay, so he is none other than he is Hulk. कौन है वो? Hulk. Okay, so the famous dialogue is, the angrier I am the mightier I became. जितना मैं गुस्से में आता हूँ, जितना मैं गुस्सैल हो जाता हूँ, उतना ही मैं गंदा हो जाता हूँ, उतना ही मैं बहुत ही किसी पे दया नहीं करता हूँ. ओके, एंड देन आई कैन स्मैश एनीथिंग इनटू पीसेस. और किसी भी चीज़ को मैं अपना पंच मार के आई कैन स्मैश एनीथिंग इनटू पीसेस, किसी भी चीज़ को मैं टुकड़े टुकड़े कर सकता हूँ. सो हु एम आई? मैं कौन हूँ? आई एम द हल्क. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द हल्क. द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक इज द हल्क. HULK. So we are talking about the Hulk. ओके, चलिए मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द सेकेंड वन. बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग हैंड्स विथ शील्ड आई वॉज अ सोवियत एजेंट, हु एम आई. ओके, सो कहते हैं शील्ड इज द नेम ऑफ दिस a company, or sorry, a person. Okay, so I was a Soviet agent, who am I. तो शील्ड के साथ हाथ मिलाने से पहले, मतलब उसके साथ काम करने से पहले मैं एक एजेंट था. ओके, सो इट वॉज एन एजेंट. सो हु इज इट इज ब्लैक विडो. ओके, सो इट इज ब्लैक विडो. सो द आंसर ऑफ द सेकेंड ब्लैंक इज दैट इज ब्लैक विडो. BLACK, that is Black Widow. Okay, third is I have metal in my claws and I can heal myself quickly. Who am I? So now we are talking about the character, comic book character who is having metals in his claws. तो उसके जो claws हैं, claws means पंजे, तो उसके पंजे क्या हैं, मेटल से बने हुए हैं. और वो अगर उसको कभी भी चोट लगती है देन इट कैन हील हरसेल्फ और इटसेल्फ वेरी क्विकली. तो वो अपने आप को बहुत जल्दी ही हील कर सकता है, ठीक कर सकता है. एंड दैट कॉमिक बुक कैरेक्टर ऑल्सो हैव मेटल इन इट्स क्लॉ. Okay, claw means पंजे. So who is it? It is Wolverine. So Wolverine has metal in its hand. Okay, and whenever it get hurt, it can heal itself very quickly. तो जल्दी से अपने आप को ठीक कर लेता है. Okay, I think this is from some kind of Avenger movie, I think, but I'm not sure. Okay, so you must be knowing more than me about these comic books or the characters. So this is Wolverine. This is Wolverine. That is the answer of the third one. That is Wolverine. WOLVERINE. That is Wolverine. Moving to the fourth one. The fourth is I am a warrior princess and I possess bracelets that give me the superhuman strength. Who am I? Okay, so देखिए, now we are talking about a superwoman. Okay, sorry, we are talking about a, अभी तक हमने सुपर हीरो की बात की. now we are talking about the super heroine. Okay, so she is a warrior princess. तो वे एक warrior princess है. warrior means कौन से होते हैं, जो कि जंग में लड़ते हैं. Okay, to save their country they fight with the enemies. So now we are talking about a girl, or you can say we are talking about a female superhero. Okay, and she possesses a bracelet. उसके पास एक bracelet है जब, and when she wears that bracelet she attains superhero powers in herself. तो उसके पास एक common human being से she became a super human being. Okay, and she saved her country. Okay, save her world from the villains. Okay, those who want to destroy the world. Okay, and she is Wonder Woman. She is Wonder Woman. तो देखिए, अभी आपने देखा होगा लेटेस्ट ही अभी Wonder Woman रिलीज हुई है. Okay, so this is Wonder Woman. So Wonder Woman is a warrior princess. She is a warrior princess. Okay, and she possesses a bracelet. Okay, she is having a bracelet. So whenever she wears that bracelet, she gains a super powers in herself. Okay, and she became very powerful by wearing that bracelet, and she is Wonder Woman. That is the answer of the fourth one. That is Wonder Woman. She is Wonder Woman. Clear? Moving to the fifth. The fifth is I am from the planet Krypton. Who am I? So now we are talking about a character who is from the planet Krypton, जो कि Krypton planet से है. So Krypton is the planet from where this superhero belongs. Okay, but actually there is no such planet like Krypton. तो Krypton नाम का ऐसा कोई such planet नहीं है. But as you know, these all are the fictional characters. So just like that, this is also a fictional planet. Okay, so here we are talking about a character, a comic book character who is from a planet Krypton. तो जो कि Krypton planet से है. Okay, then who is he? He is Superman. So Superman is a, okay, so just like जैसे Superman जिसका नाम है, so he is having super powers. So he is a man, so that's why he is known as a Superman. Okay, and he belongs to planet Krypton. He is Superman. That is the answer of the fifth one. That is Superman. He is Superman. Moving to the sixth one. I am a patriotic soldier with stars and striped shield. Who am I? So now the next superhero we are talking about, he is a patriotic soldier. Patriotic soldier means he loves his country. He is a warrior for his country. So he works, okay, for his country. तो वो अपनी country को save करता है बाकी लोगों से. Okay. Patriotic means मतलब the person who loves his country. Okay, so who can even sacrifice his life to save his country. So those are known as a patriotic persons. So here we are talking about a patriotic soldier. अभी हम यहाँ पे एक patriotic सिपाही की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, देशभक्त सिपाही की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, and he is having the stars and the stripes on his shield. So he is having a shield. देखो इसको हम बोलते हैं एक भाल जो गोल सा होता है भाले के साथ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, शील्ड सी जो होती है. ओके, सो उसकी शील्ड के ऊपर देयर स्टार्स एंड स्ट्राइप्स आर देयर. ओके, एंड द स्ट्राइप्स दैट इज अ फ्लैग ऑफ अमेरिका. जो स्ट्राइप्स हैं उस पर वो अमेरिका का फ्लैग है. ओके, सो हु एम आई? सो वो कौन है? ही इज कैप्टन अमेरिका. सो कैप्टन अमेरिका इज हैविंग द शील्ड ऑन विच द स्ट्राइप्स एंड स्टार्स आर देयर. ओके, एंड द स्टार्स, तो देखिए स्टार्स जो अमेरिका के आपने उसमें देखे होंगे फ्लैग में, वैसे स्ट्राइप्स एंड स्टार्स आर देयर ऑन दैट शील्ड ऑफ कैप्टन अमेरिका. ओके, सो ही इज कैप्टन अमेरिका. ही इज नन अदर देन कैप्टन अमेरिका. CAPTAIN. दैट इज कैप्टन. He is Captain America. Okay, he is Captain America. चलिए next, moving to the seventh one. The seventh is, I am the owner of Stark Industries. Who am I? So now we are talking about the character, okay, the comic character who is the very rich. He is a very rich person and he is the owner of Stark Industries. So एक कंपनी के ये मालिक हैं. उन्होंने अपनी जो आइडेंटिटी है वो लोगों से छुपा रखी है. In this character has his actual identity उन्होंने अपनी छुपाई है. And he is a very rich businessman also, and he is also a very he is also a, you can say, superhero who saves the world from the various villains. He is Iron Man. So he is the owner of Stark Industries. Okay, and who is he? He is Iron Man. जो लोहे से बने हुए जो रेड कलर का आपने देखा होगा, that is Iron Man. So he is also the owner of Stark Industries. He is Iron Man. Seventh one is, that is Iron Man. Iron Man is also the owner of Stark Industries. Moving to the eighth one. I am the king of seven seas. Who am I? तो मैं 7 समुद्रों का राजा हूँ. Okay, so he is the king of 7 seas. Who am I? He is Aquaman. तो देखिए aqua का means होता है water. Okay, and he the cartoon character जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, he is also the किंग ऑफ 7 सी. जो वो 7 समुद्र जितने हैं, समुद्र मीन्स सी. Okay, so he is the king, or he is the king of 7 seas, and he lives in water. And who is he? He is Aquaman. Aqua means water. Okay, so the answer of the last blank is he is Aquaman. A-Q-U-A. He is Aquaman, and he is the king of 7 seas. Okay, so these are the answers from 7th and 8th. Okay. So this was from page number 10 that we have discussed. Okay, so we have more time here. So now we can move to the next topic that is given in your book. So let's move to the next topic given at page number, sorry, I am not able to see the page number. Okay, that is page number 22, wise expressions. So all of you open your books at page number 27, that is wise expressions. So I'm just changing the topic on the board as well, that is wise expressions, given at page number 22. Wise expressions. EXPRESSIONS. Wise expressions. Given at page number 22. Okay. Now what is it? Wise expressions hai kya? So wise expressions is in this. ओके, देखिए हम बहुत सारे मुहावरे और लोकोक्तियाँ जिसको हम बोलते हैं वी यूज़ इन आर डेली लाइफ. ओके, सो हेयर सम ऑफ द कंडीशन एंड द सर्कमस्टांसेस आर गिवन एंड वी हैव टू आंसर कि इस सर्टेन कंडीशन में, सर्कमस्टांस में कौन सा प्रोवर्ब है जो कि दैट इज मोर suitable according to the condition or the circumstances. Okay, so here certain condition and circumstances are given and we have to find out that which of these is suitable according to the given circumstance or the condition. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. Okay, the first is God, the first, the condition is, first of all we will read the condition that is given in pink, blue and yellow boxes, and then we will choose a verb from this green box given in below. So here are the conditions, these are the conditions and these are the proverbs, and we have to select that which proverb is suitable according to the given condition. Clear? So the first is, Tara lost her ball in the park today and she is very sad. So now we are talking about a girl whose name is Tara and she has lost her ball in the park. तो तारा थी, she went to play in the park, but suddenly when she was playing with the ball and somewhere she has lost her ball in the park today. So here which proverb suits better? So she has lost, the Tara has lost her ball in the park, okay, and she is very sad because she has lost her ball and she is not able to find it as well. Okay, so what situations suits here? So that is, don't cry over a spilt milk. Okay, जो दूध गिर गया उसके ऊपर रोने से क्या फायदा है, खराब हो गया. So that means if you have lost your ball, then it okay. You will getting some kind of punishment from your house, but next time when you go to play, so this is just when she will go again to play in the garden, then this will be a lesson for her. Then next time when she will go, then she should be more careful while playing with her ball. So that means, so तारा ने अपनी बॉल उसकी गुम गई है and she is not able to find her and she is very sad. तो कहते हैं ना कि चलिए अब जो हो गया, then no need to cry. Okay, चलिए next time be careful. So that means don't cry over spilt milk. This is suitable here. That is first, Tara lost her ball in the park today and she is very sad. Okay, so that means don't cry over spilt milk. That is option number E. So first का answer है, that is option number E. That is, don't cry over spilt milk. Don't cry over spilt milk. Don't cry over spilt milk. Okay. Moving to the second one. Second is Jyoti and Tasha just don't want to do the assignments together. Okay, so here it is given that Jyoti and Tasha, they must be having some kind of fight, or they must be having some kind of issues between them, and they don't agree to work together. So that means वो दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ काम नहीं करना चाहते. And here according to the situation you want that they must work together. Okay, and you want to tell them कि no, you are doing wrong. Okay, तो आप उसको समझाना चाहते हो. Okay, so what kind of proverb you can use at this, in this condition? Okay, so you can tell that two heads are better than one. Okay, okay, जिसको हम बोलेंगे एक से भले दो. In Hindi we term it as एक से भले दो. Okay, if they both don't want to work together, or they don't want to do the assignment together, so you can just tell them that in spite of doing the work individually, you can do it together, because it's better that two person can perform well. Okay, तो देखिए when a single person perform that work, तो only the single mind is being used. अगर एक अकेला पर्सन वो काम कर रहा है तो उस अकेले का दिमाग यूज हो रहा है. ओके, बट अगर वही काम दो लोग इकट्ठे मिलके कर रहे हैं, सो दैट मीन्स टू पर्सन आर इन्वॉल्व एंड द टू डिफरेंट आंसर्स यू विल गेट. ओके, देन यू विल बी हैविंग द चॉइस देन विच वन इज बेटर. ओके, सपोज आप कोई काम कर रहे हो, आप सबके फ्रेंड भी करिए, आपके दिमाग में कुछ और आइडिया आया, उसके दिमाग में कुछ और, क्योंकि एवरी पर्सन थिंक डिफरेंट, हर एक की सोच है जो अलग होती है. Okay, and when two ideas can come, then you can choose the better one, that which one suits better. Okay, so it is better that so you can say that two heads are better than one. Okay, so this is the proverb you can use, that एक से भले दो. So the condition, Jyoti and Tasha does not want to work together, so that means you can say that two heads are better than one, so you must work together. To उनको समझाने के लिए, तो you can say that two heads are better than one. That is option number B. Okay, two heads are better than one. Two heads are better than one. Third one. The third is Riya has a test tomorrow and she is not prepared for the test. She is praying to the God for good marks. Okay, so the girl name is Riya and she has a test tomorrow. So she is having a test in her school tomorrow, and in spite of studying, she is praying to God, God please help me, मुझे पास कर देना, and all those things. She is praying to the God. So in spite of studying, she is doing all these kinds of things. So no, God will not come to her to write her paper. So to write her test paper, definitely she will have to work if she wants कि उसका जो काम है वो हो जाए. Okay, so in spite of praying to the God, भगवान से pray करने के बजाय, in spite of studying, she is just praying the God, please God मुझे पास कर दीजिए. देखिए, now God will not come and write your paper. For that you have to work, you have to study. ओके, तो उसके लिए आपको खुद ही काम करना पड़ेगा, खुद ही पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, सो देखिए, फॉर एनी सक्सेस not only you need luck is needed, but along with that you also need to work hard. Okay, only then you will be able to get this success. Okay, so you can tell her that in spite of praying the God, you must study. For that you can say that God help those who help himself. भगवान उनकी सहायता करता है जो अपनी सहायता खुद करते हैं. ओके, तो पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शी हैज़ टू help herself by studying. Okay, only then the God will help her कि जो भी उसने याद किया है वो उसको याद रहेगा. Okay, so here the proverb suits here, that is God helps those who helps themselves. That is A1. That is God helps those who help themselves. Who help themselves. God help those who help themselves. Clear? Moving to the fourth one. The fourth is Mary bought a lottery ticket. She had already made plans for what to buy with the prize money even before she won. So now here's a girl we are talking about. She is Mary and she has bought a lottery ticket from somewhere, and then she is very happy that after winning the lottery she is going to buy this, she is going to buy that. But abhi that she has not won the lottery. Okay, so that means she is pre-planning. Okay, she is pre-planning about everything. Okay, in future when she will not get that prize money of the lottery, so definitely she will feel very bad. So how you are going to make her understand that she should not think like this? So here what is the situation, or what is the proverb that you are going to use? That is, don't count your chickens before they hatch. Okay, so that means बिफोर द एग्स हैच, मतलब अंडों के फूटने से पहले उनमें से निकलने वाले चिकन्स के बारे में मत सोचिए दैट नाउ यू आर हैविंग द 7 एग्स हियर एंड डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 7 चिकन्स फ्रॉम इट. नो, दैट डजंट मीन. समटाइम्स हो सकता है कि वन ऑफ देम और 2 of them, और यू कैन गेट 1 और यू कैन गेट नथिंग. सो यू कांट काउंट द चिकन्स बिफोर द अंडों के फूटने से पहले. यू कांट काउंट द चिकन्स. सो दैट मीन्स you can tell her, so don't pre-plan everything, don't make daydream. Okay, don't make daydreaming. So you can just wait. Okay, when you want the ticket, only after then you can make your plans. Okay, so here you can console her that don't count your chickens before they hatch. So that is option number F. For the fourth, it is option number F. Don't count your chickens. Don't count your chickens. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Chickens before they hatch. Okay, so this is the option number F. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Okay, so these are the answers for the first 4. Okay, now moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is Aman do not done his project and wants to finish it quickly. So here we are talking about the boy whose name is Aman, and he has not done the project. उसने भी project नहीं किया है, and he has not even started to do started doing that project, and he wants that it should be completed quickly. So if you want that your work should be completed on time, so at least you need to start it. So here आप उसको कैसे समझा सकते हो? So you can tell him the proverb, or you can take the example of proverb. That is, haste makes waste. Okay, haste makes waste. तो अभी उसने शुरू किया है ना, he just want to complete it very fast. So that means if he is going to do it very fast, or he is just going to without even studying or without even paying any kind of concentration, so that means जो भी उसने काम किया होगा, देखिए he is doing some kind of hard work and still it will be very wrong अगर वो उसको properly carefully नहीं करेगा. So you can take the proverb here. That is, haste makes waste. That is D. For the fifth, you can take that is D. Haste makes waste. Haste makes waste. Okay. Moving to the last, that is the sixth one. The sixth is, instead of doing his homework, Pranav is playing गेम्स ऑन हिज कंप्यूटर. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टडिंग, पढ़ने के बजाय जो प्रणव है वो अपने कंप्यूटर के ऊपर गेम खेल रहा है. तो आप उसको कैसे समझा सकते हैं? अ लिटल टू लेट इज मच टू लेट. Okay, so if you are going to if you are leaving your pending work, so that means next time you will be having more pending work. So that means ऐसे आपका जो काम है, your burden will increase. So that means थोड़ा सा लेट, बहुत सारा is little too much late. That means it will आपका जो काम है वो ज़्यादा पेंडिंग हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इफ यू विल लिटिल बिट ऑफ वर्क देन इट विल बिकम मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर इन द फ्यूचर. सो दैट इज अ लिटिल टू लेट इज मच टू लेट. दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर C. A little too late. A little too late is much too late. Little too late is much too late. A little too late is much too late. Okay, so these are the answers from the page number 22. Okay class, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a good day.